Welcome back to our 8th video in our WordPress series. We want to thank you for following us. Today, we are going to show you how to edit page content. This will include adding text and images to give a professional look to the website. Pages are normally used for static, permanent content that doesn't change too frequently. The best examples for pages are about us, contact us, terms and conditions, shipping and returns, etc. Today, we are going to add content to the home page. Let's take a look at our website. We need to edit the pages and add content to make it more attractive. Let's take a look at some good websites for inspiration. Adding high-quality images is one of the best ways to enhance the look of your website. We're going to show you a few websites that have the best image content, and they are free. Images are vital for a website as they enhance its visual appeal, drawing visitors in with compelling visuals. Images are a powerful means of communication, conveying information, products, and ideas quickly and effectively. Good imagery also contributes to a positive user experience, making the website more navigable and user-friendly. So the question is, from which websites can we source high-quality images and video content from the internet? Links are given in the description. The first one is pexels.com. It's absolutely great content and it's free. The second one is pixabay.com. The third one is canva.com. It's free, but if you get the subscription, which is around $5 to $6 per month, it's amazing. The fourth one is istockphoto.com. This is not free, but a great source of images. The fifth and last one is storyblocks.com. This also is not free, but the images are worth it. The reason why we have given you more than one website to source your image is that you need to create exceptional content. Remember, content is king. Images also fall under high-quality content. Using great images can contribute to improving your website's ranking on Google. I cannot stress this point enough. Your website has to be appealing to the visitors to keep them coming back on your website. We are going to search for images for leather jackets, as that is one of the main themes of leatherjockey.store. We're going to enter leather jackets in all of the 5 websites we mentioned above. Remember, the links are in the description. Hang in there while I go through all the 5 websites. Let's browse through each of the 5 websites. Please hang in there for a bit. And let's quickly go through these also. Okay, I have finalized these 5 pictures. We are going to download them. Unfortunately, since we do not have the subscription to both iStockPhoto and Storyblocks.com, we will not be able to use the pictures due to the watermark. Let's use the remaining images for our website. We will use each of the pictures, save the changes, and see how the home page looks like. We also need some text for our home page. An introduction to the site. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate some text for our home page. Links are given in the description. Okay, now we have both the text and images. Go to the dashboard, click Pages, and then All Pages, go to Home, click Edit. Now this is the text box. Simply copy the introduction given by ChatGPT and paste it here. Let's make a few paragraphs so it is easy to read. Press Update once. Now on the right side, click the page tab, go down to the featured image and click it. We need to upload the image files. Click on Upload Files. As you can see, there's nothing in the media library because this is a brand new site. As soon as you add pictures, they will start showing up here. Press Select Files and click on the folder where the images are. I'm going to use the Pixabay image first. Click the tab set, Featured Image. Click Update. Go to our website. Click on the Home tab in the menu. Nice. You have the introduction text down below and a nice picture. Let's see how the website looks like with the other picture. I am going to repeat the process, but this time use the Canva picture. Go to your dashboard, click on Pages, All Pages, and then Home and Edit. Press the Page tab and then click on Featured Image. Press Upload and select the file and choose the Canva picture. Set it as Featured Image and update. Now let's go to our website and refresh the home page. Wow, this is good. Good-looking couple. Let's just stop here. Remember what our website looked like before we added the text and image to the home page. Look at it now, there is a huge difference. Just one image and text has changed the website completely. Finally, let's edit the text that we put on the home page. Let's see what options we have. Go to the home page. Make sure you select the block of text you want to edit first. Otherwise, it will not allow to change it. Then click on where it says Block on the right side. The first option is Color. Click on Text. Choose a color. Let's choose red. You can also change the background color. Just click Background and choose any color you like. You can change the size of the text. Under typography, we have small, medium, large, and extra large. You can choose more options under Appearance and Lettercase to change the appearance of the text. Go on and experiment with it to see what suits your website the best. Don't forget to update it in the end to save the results. Refresh your home page to see the final results. Remember, to create a really great website, it's important to experiment with different images and text. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.